morning students, this is 11th class biology, chapter 4 animal kingdom, and today we will discuss the homework solutions of lecture 6, and after that in this video there is assignment of this chapter is given which you need to do. So this is the answer for question number 11 of NCERT. Question is, what are the modifications that are observed in birds that help them to fly? And the answer is, modifications that are observed in birds that help them to fly are as follows. First is presence of feathers. So feathers are present in all the birds which help them to fly. Second is, forelimbs are modified into wings, assisting them to take a flight. Okay, wings help the birds to take a flight. So these wings are modified forelimbs of the birds. Next is, hind limbs have scales. After that, they have pneumatic or hollow bones which make the skeleton lightweight, right? Because lightweight is required for the flying. Okay, and the pneumatic or the hollow bone filled, that is means air cavity is present inside the long bones of the birds, which make their body weight light, and that is an adaptation for the flight. Absence of urinary bladder is not present here, that also help in reducing the weight, causes the net body weight to be reduced, right, facilitating them to fly. Their streamed body offers lesser resistance, enabling a smooth flight furthermore. Okay, streamlined body is that is required for the flying, for swimming also. Okay, so their body shape is streamlined, and because of this streamlined body shape, it offers lesser resistance, due to which they can take a smooth flight. Now this is the answer for question number 14 of NCERT, and here you need to match the given data. Okay, the given body structures with the given class or the phylum. Okay, so here you see operculum. Operculum is a covering over the gill slits, right? So it is found in osteichthyes fishes, right? So operculum is matched with osteichthyes. Parapodia is found in Annelida. Scales are found on the reptilia, on all the reptiles. Scales are present. Okay. Comb plates are found in Ctenophora. And radula is the mouth-like organ for the feeding in mollusca. Hairs are present only on the skin of mammals. Okay, so it is related with the mammalia. Coinocytes are the cells which are found in porifera. And gill slits are present in Cyclostomata and Chondrichthyes fishes. After that, your today's homework is to do the given assignment, and here these are the questions for assignment.